Remember that time that I took my unused, boring, old dining room area space from this into this? Well, if you didn't know, there was a table in front of this wall. So before I could actually decorate this piece or put books on here, I wanted to make sure that my table was done. I needed new chairs. So I ran over to my thrift store. Do not sleep on your thrift stores, people. I found all 6 of these chairs for $75. Are you kidding me? Went with the easy off oven cleaner hack, let it sit for 20 minutes, and then power washed all that oven cleaner off. And then let it sit out in the sun until it dried. Look at this. Are you kidding? Absolutely gorgeous. How old are these chairs? You want to know how old? There's actually a newspaper clipping on the back that said, do not remove this tag or you'll go to jail. You know, the ones that you find on your mattress and it scares the shit out of you. Look how many layers of fabric were on these chairs. Went ahead and cut out some cushions, placed that on top. I just left that last piece of fabric on there because honestly, there was no point in taking it off. It was already thin and nasty anyway, so I just went right on top of it. I reupholstered all the seats with this beautiful cream colored fabric that I found from Hobby Lobby, if you're wondering. And then went with a light standing on all of the chairs. Just a real quick little stand there. Placed all the cushions back on, screwed them back in, and then look at this. Oh, they're so pretty. Brought them upstairs to the dining room area. And then here they are in the chair next to the table, you know, the whole thing. Next to the table, around the table, whatever you want to call it. This is what the wall looks like now. I've done a lot of different looks here. Now you have the binder showing, then the binder's not showing. I actually want to see the binders because I actually want to read, but you know what? Stay tuned. You'll see more.